adventure! I bet I can ride faster than everyone. No fair, Emma. I want a blue bike, and I'm gonna be the fastest one today.
I'm so sorry. We only have one children's bike left today.
But we do have a tandem bike if two of you would like to ride together. John, how about you and I ride together?
Watch me, everyone. I can ride with no hands.
Emma, both hands on the handlebars, please.
Safety first. Oh no, my chain fell off.
Don't worry, sweetheart. I used to fix bikes when I was young. Hold it steady for me, and we'll have you riding again in no time.
Please, just one more small loop before we go home. I promise I'll be super fast.
Okay, John, just one very small loop. Stay on this path and don't go far. We'll wait right here for you.
But wait. Whoa, my bike! And my knee really hurts. Mom? Dad? Can anyone hear me? The mud is too slippery. If I try to climb, I might fall again. I'll stay right here and wait. Dad will find me. I know he will.
John! Don't move, sweetheart. I'm coming down to get you right now.
I was so scared, Dad, but I stayed in one place, just like you and Mom always say. I'll ride ahead and tell them we're coming. My sister hurt her knee. We need the first aid kit.
Almost there, John. Just hold on a little longer. You're being so brave.
It really hurt, but I stayed calm and waited, just like you taught me. And now I have a big pink bandage.
You were so brave, John. And next time, we all stay together. Look, everyone, a rainbow.